So let's start preparation of alcohols from alkenes. ठीक है, सीधे सीधे कभी भी नहीं लगता कोई भी रूल, बिकॉज सीधे 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 इज शॉर्टकट है ना. वी डोंट अप्लाई शॉर्टकट्स एवरी टाइम, so we will go with the mechanism also. ठीक है, so first is by adding water. The basic need to form the alcohol is by adding water. So previously, when scientists start adding water in the alkenes to prepare alcohol, so there was a confusion because that reaction was not properly formed occur. भाई अगर हमारे पास, for example, if I have alkene here, okay, CH1H, for example, this is a alkene, clear? And if I react it with water and try to form a compound directly, so it will not possible. ठीक है, क्या हुआ? नॉर्मली आपको अगर मैं बोलूं कि भाई रिएक्ट योर एल्कीन विद H2O, तो आप क्या करोगे? डायरेक्ट आपका आंसर क्या होगा कि भाई आप सीधे लोगे OH यहाँ लगा दोगे, एक H यहाँ लगा दोगे, और आप मेरे हाथ में बना के सीधा कंपाउंड दे देंगे कि भाई मैम ये हमारा सीधा बन. बट दिस प्रोसेस इज डायरेक्टली नॉट पॉसिबल. This process is directly not possible. Why? Because this water is what? Water behave as, we know this thing that this water behave as a nucleophile, है ना? This water is a nucleophile, and as we all know that, for example, if we have a alkene here, this one, ठीक है, this is your alkene. So if we talk about this thing, तो क्या होगा? This is also a nucleophile. So if both are nucleus lover, तो क्या ये दोनों डायरेक्टली कभी रिएक्ट करेंगे? No, because to perform a reaction we require a electrophile and a nucleophile, तभी तो रिएक्शन होगी. If both behave as a nucleophile, तो कैसे होगा? Since ऑक्सीजन के पास यहाँ लोन पेयर है, this water molecule has a lone pair of electrons, so because of these lone pair this will behave as nucleophile. और ये चीज हमें पहले से पढ़ के आए हैं. तो जब ये भी nucleophile and this is also nucleophile, so this reaction will not take place directly. So to do this we require a reagent, है ना? So direct reaction of alkenes with the water is not possible because both are behave as nucleophile. And to create, like to perform this reaction, what we require a specific type of reagent. So let's start with first type, acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. First thing, first experiment was acid catalyzed for hydration. So let me take example, the same example I am taking, CH2. Okay, if I am adding this in water, so to perform this reaction or to do so, we require a H positive here. And how do we get this H positive from an acid? Clear? From an acid. So that has to be dilute H2SO4. Not, remember in previous जब हमने उल्टा रिएक्शन किया था, अल्कोहल से वापस बना रहे थे, तब हम concentrated H2SO4 ले रहे थे. Right now we require dilute H2SO4. ठीक है? So what happened? This bond will break. अब हमें bond dissociate करना है. पहली चीज बेसिक नीड इज डिसोसिएशन ऑफ दिस पाई बॉन्ड. भाई जब इसको यहाँ बॉन्ड दिखेगा तो पाई बॉन्ड इज लाइक वेरी वीक, तो जहां इलेक्ट्रॉन नजर आएंगे, जहां मौका मिलेगा कहीं से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने का या जोड़ने का, तो दिस बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक अल्टीमेटली. तो क्या होगा? या तो इसको हम इधर मूव करा सकते हैं, तो अगर इधर मूव होगा द पॉजिटिव चार्ज विल कम ओवर हेयर और नेगेटिव विल कम हेयर, ठीक है। और अगर ये इधर घूम गया तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, पॉजिटिव। तो दिस इज अ सिंपल टाइप ऑफ एल्कीन। लेट मी जस्ट टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स वन। मैं इसको थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको अच्छे से समझा पाऊँ। लेट मी टेक this instead of this one. All things are same, but I'm changing the compound. Okay, so that I can change, I can just explain you the Markov's rule. What Markov I have explained previously. So I just want to tell you this thing here, because in many of the cases MO rule applies, but in many cases that actually denied. Okay, so let us talk about, so what happened when this H2O in presence of H2SO4 react. So what happened, हमें यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा, OH मिलेगा, ठीक है। तो we know this thing that when this water dissociate तो किसमें टूटेगा, H positive और OH negative में, ठीक है। Since we have H positive, which means we are performing this reaction in the presence of H2SO4 and that too dilute. Clear? Acidic medium. So what happened according to MO rule? MO ने क्या बताया था हमें मार्कोव रूल में पिछली बार, rule. What he explained? He explained that in an unsymmetrical, note this thing down, in an unsymmetrical alkene, the hydrogen will go to that carbon where more hydrogens are present. Hyperconjugation of hydrogen is there. अब अगर क्या होगा, if you want to break this bond, this pi bond, तो shifting किधर होगी, इस तरफ, means positive will charge come over here and negative will be on this carbon, ठीक है। So the product will be like CH3, CH, OH, CH2 and H, ठीक है। Hydrogen is with that carbon where already more hydrogens are present. Clear? And your group, functional group is attached with less hydrogen carbon, where the number of hydrogen are less. ये मार्कोविक्स रूल ने हमें बताया। Clear? Note this thing down, that when water dissociate, your water dissociate into positive and negative ions. Okay, so your positive will add where H positive are more. Note this thing down. This is the Markovitch rule which we have explained. And your negative will add where H positive are less. Clear? And that too in unsymmetrical alkene, है ना? This is unsymmetrical type of alkene. तो क्या होगा, the positive and the positive H positive will move to H2 CH2 because more hydrogens are here, and OH negative will move to the carbon where H number of hydrogens are less. Okay, this is all about MO rule. तो क्या होगा, sometimes we will apply MO rule directly, but sometimes it is not possible to apply it directly, because when we go down to the mechanism, your answer will differ. So to know, so we need to know the mechanism. So let's just go to mechanism now. And these type of mechanism and all the mechanisms just create a difference actually in your answer. Okay, so what was our question? क्या था हमारा question? ये था, that was our question. ठीक है, in presence of H positive. Clear? So what actually happened? We know this thing that when the bond break, when from the alkene or from any carbon compound, pi bond break, a intermediate compound form, which is known as carbocation formation. So there are two conditions which can just happen here. First, the pi bond electron will shift to this carbon. If your electrons are shifting to this outer one, so what will happen? You will get a compound like this CH3, CH, CH2. This CH2 with minus sign and this CH with plus sign. Clear? Second thing, if your pi electrons are moving to this compound, this carbon, sorry, so what happened? You will get a different compound, CH2, CH, ठीक है। अब मैंने इसको यहाँ पे बोला मैम आपने यहाँ चार्ज लगा दिया, अगर यहाँ हाइट शिफ्टिंग हो गई है तो क्या होगा, यू कैन राइट इट CH3 और आप यहाँ से माइनस हटा सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, चार्ज विल बी कम ऑन दिस कार्बन। दो हमारे पास है, तो मेजर थिंग इज दे कैन आस्क यू कि मैम बताइए which one will be the major product out of these, which one will be the major product, क्योंकि जब हम यहाँ हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट करा रहे हैं तो ये हाइड्रोजन जाएगा, इट विल अटैक, अगर इस पे है तो ये ऐसे जाएगा, इस पे है तो ये यहाँ अटैक कर देगा, so that time this will be CH3 CH positive CH3 and CH3 CH2 CH2 with the positive sign, clear? But they will ask you, these are known as intermediate compound or you can say carbocation, clear? So intermediate compound here is a carbocation, clear? So first what happened, the substitution of H positive will take place. After that water will react, it will come in participation and react. So this is the first step, this is the first and slowest step or you can say RDS of this step, rate determining step, clear? So क्या होगा बेटा, now they will ask you that which one is more stable, हम किसको बताएंगे मेजर प्रोडक्ट कौन सा होगा, we will talk about the alpha hydrogens, आपको पहले भी बताया है, just count the alpha hydrogens जहाँ डबल बॉन्ड आपका बनेगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल we talk about this one, तो इस कार्बन से जुड़े हुए पायल से कौन सी कितने हाइड्रोजन होंगे, 3 3 6, 6 alpha hydrogens are here. If we talk about this, 2 alpha hydrogens are there, so this will be your major product and this will be the minor product, clear? Second thing, on the basis of degree, this is 2 degree and this is 1 degree carbocation, and we know this thing that third degree is 2 degree is less than 1 degree. So two things are there. First you can consider alpha hydrogens, okay, and other you can consider the degrees. This is 2 degree carbon, this is 1 degree carbon, and we know the stable one will be the major product and least stable or unstable will be the minor one. So this will be the major carbocation, this will be the minor carbocation. So let's just move down with the major one. I'm just taking this reaction forward. So in the second step, what will happen? For example, we were having this one. यहाँ से लेते हैं CH3 CH CH3 positive sign. I've written this equation here. Same equation is here. So what happened? Water will come and react. ठीक है? Since oxygen, this O has a lone pair of electron, so it will donate its electron to this carbon. ठीक है? Since this is a electrophile, okay, and water is a nucleophile. तो अब हमारी रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो रही है, अब यहाँ वाटर हमारा न्यूक्लियोफाइल है और ये बन गया इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. नाउ द रिएक्शन विल कंप्लीट. So what you will get, CH3 CH OH2 plus CH3. अब now positive sign will be there on OH2. अब बच्चे पूछेंगे मैम why this OH2 is here? Because हमारा फर्स्ट इस स्टेप में ऑक्सीजन ने अपने लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन दिए हैं इसको. ऑक्सीजन donates its lone pair electron to this carbon atom. That is why entire molecule will substitute here. So OH2 will be there. In next step, removal of H positive ion takes place, है ना? This H will remove out and return back to acid. Since हमने ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ यूज किया था पहले, हमें ये पता है हाइड्रोजन इज मींस H2SO4 हम जो ले रहे हैं that is a reagent, and reagent just participate in the reaction, do not involve in the compound. So we will return this hydrogen back to the acid and your product will be CH3 CH CH3 OH. This will be your final product. That is how we will get this thing in mechanism. Let me just repeat this thing again so that just will be clear about the topic. First, what is happening? We have an alkene here, okay? So first, the H positive from the acid. What was the acid? H2SO4. ठीक है, dilute H2SO4. First, it come into play. What happened when this pi electron bond form? This H positive ion will attack, and the bond will shift to the means positive charge come on the center one, and hydrogen will attach to the outermost one, because this is a major compound. That's why I'm considering this one. Then again, water will react with your compound, since now it will become an electrophile, and we know this thing that water will behave as a nucleophile. So electrophile, nucleophile now can contact with each other and perform the reaction. So what happens? This oxygen donates its lone pair electron to this CH and combine with it. So that is why we'll just substitute the entire water molecule here. So CH3, CHOH2, CH3. After that, removal of hydrogen will take place, means we are returning hydrogen back to the H2SO4, since we have used one H positive ion. Okay. So what happened? One H positive will remove, and you will get your final product. So this is how the mechanism go on. So now we have obtained the product, and so many things are there which are related, which are important about these reactions are. First one is intermediate compound is carbocation. First thing, we have to note this thing, that intermediate compound will form, and that should be carbocation. Second, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the stability of first carbocation. What does it mean by first carbocation? First carbocation means क्या होगा, यहाँ हमारे पास स्टेबिलिटी है कि भाई 2 डिग्री था, 1 डिग्री था, ठीक है, रीअरेंजमेंट का कोई चक्कर नहीं है. फर्स्ट में जो कार्बोकेटाइन बना स्टेबल वाला, मेजर वाला, उसमें लेंगे, एंड दैट रेट विल बी डिटरमाइंड बाय दैट ओनली. बाद में चाहे कितना स्टेप में रिएक्शन हो, उससे रेट पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट और द स्लोएस्ट स्टेप will determine the rate of reaction. Clear? Third point, note these things down. If carbocation is not stable, then rearrangement will take place. If your carbocation is not stable, then rearrangement will take place. And rearrangement, we know this thing that H negative, CH3 negative, phenyl negative shift will be take place, है ना? H shift, hydride shift, methyl shift, phenyl shift, है ना? यही सब था जो हमने पढ़ा था. Just explain you. If they ask you about stereochemistry, that what will be the stereochemistry of this product? So this will be like racemic. Since we obtained 2 types of product here, na? It is attacking from back side, even from the front side. So racemic means both inversion and retention. Because you can get these type of question in your objective paper, na? That's why I'm explaining you this thing. So since this is a planar species, yes, if they ask you about the structure, this is a planar species. The structure is planar. So this OH can attack from this side and even from this side. If it is a planar, so it can attack from both the side. That is why racemic type of stereochemistry will be there, and structure will be planar. Okay, I'm going to give you some question. You just analyze what they are asking. Okay, because the first priority is we need to know that what type of question you can get from these. Let me just give you first question. Compare the rate of hydration. Hydration मतलब mixing with water, है ना? Of the following. Okay, I just write it alkene from the following alkene. Okay, first one is CH2 double bond CH2 A. B1 is CH3 CH CH2. C1 is CH3 CH3 C double bond CH2. बताइए, rate of hydration. अभी बोला है रेट डिपेंड ऑन स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकेटाइन, कंसेप्ट बता दिया। यस प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट। इफ इन दिस केस, if this pi bond break, electron will shift to this carbon and this will become a carbocation. Clear? कैसा बना? This is 1 degree. Okay, let's just talk about this one. Electron shift will be there towards this and this will become carbocation. What type of carbocation? 2 degree. If in this case this pi bond break, electron will shift to this carbon, which type of carbocation is formed? 3rd degree. And as we all know that 3 degree is more stable than 2 degrees than 1 degree. So your pattern will be C is more stable than B than A. This type of question you can get in your paper. Remember this thing, that rate of hydration is directly proportional to stability of carbocation form. Okay, one more question. Same rate of hydration. Okay, if I am having this, ठीक है, A, base chain is same. I am just changing the substituent. Yes. A, B, C, and T. They will ask you same question. Compare the rate of hydration of the following. Ab now, since we have the degree of dissociation same here, because entire chain is same. So for example, pi bond break, this cation, this will become cation, this will become carbocation, and this will become carbocation. Entirely same. The basic difference is chlorine, NO2, and OCH3. Okay. So first, if we talk about this first compound, let me just explain you step by step. If we talk about this first compound, what happened? We know this thing that what happened? अगर यहाँ पर इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए तो क्या होगा? ये एक्स्ट्रा है, तुरंत we know this thing that internal bonding is there in the benzene ring. ठीक है, तुरंत यहाँ पे shifting शुरू हो जाएगी, resonance will be there. So this compound is stable, है ना? This is also stable, this is also stable, this is also stable on the basis of resonance. Means on the basis of resonance all are stable. So let's talk about this one first. So this is resonance, on the basis of resonance this is stable. Okay, so no effect will be there on this. Okay, let's just move to the second one, Cl. And Cl, we know this thing that Cl shows minus I effect. And previous chapter we have studied the impact of minus I effect. Clear? So what happened? Because it shows minus I effect, so it has the property to extract the electrons, है ना? It has the property to means extract the electron. अब भाई उसके पास ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की या कमी है, तो अगर ये भी क्लोरीन भी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा तो ये तो अनस्टेबल हो गया बिल्कुल. चलिए लेट्स जस्ट मूव टू NO2. NO2 व्हाट बेटा? आर्यन रिपीट.
मैम बेंजीन पे तो एम इफेक्ट लगता है ना?
बेंजीन पे एम इफेक्ट होगा. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट बेंजीन बिकॉज सब पे एम इफेक्ट है. यहाँ पर एम इफेक्ट इज देयर ऑन all the benzenes, but the main thing is the substituent species. ठीक है, both NO2 and the Cl shows minus I effect, and if we compare between both of these Cl and NO2, this shows more minus I effect as compared to Cl. देखो जब हम कॉमन कोई भी चीज लेते हैं ना, सब में, एक सेकेंड आर्यन, यहाँ पे हमारा ऊपर कॉमन, ठीक है, बेंजीन में M इफेक्ट होता है, ठीक, यहाँ पे जब क्लोरीन हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक्सट्रैक्टिंग इफेक्ट हो गया इसमें, तो यहाँ ये इससे इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना शुरू कर देगा, तो दैट विल एक्चुअली कैंसिल द इफेक्ट. वहां पे क्या हो जाएगी, अनस्टेबिलिटी हो जाएगी, दैट विल कॉज अनस्टेबिलिटी बिकॉज ऑफ द माइनस आई इफेक्ट ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड माइनस आई इफेक्ट ऑफ NO2. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट OCH3, तो OCH3 shows M effect. It has the capacity to donate the electron for stability. Clear? Minus I effect and M effect actually play a important role in stability. अगर आप यहाँ बेंजीन की बात कर रहे हो कि मैम दिस शोज M effect, so that is good, I am agree with that. But उस M effect के साथ यहाँ I effect के लिए भी तो कनेक्ट हो गया ना, क्लोरीन इज देयर फॉर I effect. ठीक है, तो ये भी I effect शो कर रहा है, ये भी I effect शो कर रहा है, दोनों कर रहे हैं, बट वी हैव टू अरेंज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेवल कि भाई कौन ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा, कौन कम होगा. So in between NO2 and Cl, this NO2 show more minus I effect as compared to chlorine. ठीक है, so this will be most stable, sorry, most unstable. This will be more unstable, this will be unstable, है ना, or this will be the stable one because of plus M effect shown by the OCH3 group. So your arrangement will be D. Then we'll go to A. Why A? Because this is means stabilized by the resonance. Okay, this is stabilized by the resonance. Okay, so if this is stabilized by the resonance, so this will be considered after D. But if you want to just make a difference between Cl and N, so B will come first because this is least unstable and this is the most unstable. So your arrangement will be D, A, B, C. These type of question you can get in your paper, है ना? Because if we talk about the concept, each and every question or you can say example have a different concept. I will explain you anti-MO also along with these things. Okay? In next class, I will continue with the same topic, preparation of alcohols from alkenes, and we'll take different examples, even especially exceptions where direct method will not apply. Okay, you have to go through the entire mechanism to reach your answer. ठीक है, चलो जाओ बेटा, आपकी नेक्स्ट क्लास शुरू होने वाली है. आज किसका पीरियड है नेक्स्ट? Whose next period is this?